Hello everyone and welcome to a new video for a new OBS Studio plugin that I've developed. This plugin helps you highlight things in real time when you are live streaming. You can use various tools like arrows, squares, circles, and a small uh, heart object just to make your live stream more dynamic. Well, before we go any further, please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below with what you like and what you don't like about this plugin. Well, without further ado, let's jump in downloading, installing, and also showing you how to use this plugin in OBS Studio, and also what you can do with this tool. All you have to do is go to the link in the description and click on download. You will be redirected to my portfolio where you will see the download button right there. As you can see, I'm using the arrow function from the plugin to show you where you have to click. Click on download and wait for a lifetime.
2,000 years later.
Save the plugin somewhere on the disk, it doesn't matter. And because it's a DLL, your Windows security may see it as a threat. Just click on keep, depending on what browser are you using. Open the archive. Okay, let's move the DLL somewhere on the desktop and just copy the DLL. Now, move on to your OBS installation folder. Mine is in work. I don't want to keep my software where the Windows is installed, so I have it in a different partition. So I just go to my folder, OBS Studio. Then you have to go to OBS plugins, or 64-bit, and just paste the plugin there. Since I already have it installed, let's just start a new instance for OBS Studio. Now we are back in a new instance for OBS Studio, and let's make the plugin work. So if you have installed the plugin correctly, under the docs here, you will have a suite of tools called Draw Tools. When you click on it, you will have this small dock that you can put anywhere in your OBS Studio. I will just place it here for now. And as you can see here, we have a couple of options. Right now, most of them are disabled because in order to be able to create the drawing board, the canvas, we have to add a new source. And for that, you have to go to your sources, click on the plus, and you will find instant highlight source draw. Okay, now here we have two options. You can either free draw on your scene, or you can mirror your other sources. Let's mirror the display capture and set the canvas width to 1980 and 920. Okay, click OK, and you won't see any difference here. But if I turn this off, as you can see, it disappears from the highlight source. So in order to have this working correctly, let's just, let's just group them. Group selected items, and let's have the instant. Okay, now, as you can see, once we created the source, we now have all the options available. And to make it easier to draw, when you click on interact, you will open up the drawing canvas, which you can resize to whatever size you want. Or you can keep it minimal like this. Now all you have to do is draw. As you can see, if I do anything here, it already draws lines in my live stream. What I can do is choose the eraser, and let's just move through all things that we draw and hide them. Of course, you can just go to clear, click on it, and it will clear the canvas. And you have various tools like arrow that I used in the previous explanation, and you can draw multiple arrows, clear, or you can use the on release event, and this will make the drawing disappear after the selected time using a small fade effect. Let's make it to 1 second and give a bigger thickness on the arrow. Also, let's change the color for something that's more in the contrast. And that's pretty much what you can do with this plugin. And you can draw circles, hearts, and of course, the squares. Well, that's pretty much it about this plugin. Hope you like it. And again, guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and
Like and
click
subscribe.
on the notifications button to be notified whenever I release something new. Thanks again for watching and see you on the next video.